According to the Interfax Ukraine news agency, the Ukrainian parliament on Monday unveiled a draft law to impose new sanctions on Russia. The bill, which was submitted by President Vladimir Zelensky, envisages 10 new restrictive measures to be introduced against Russia for the next 10 years. In particular, the draft law stipulates a ban on transferring funds from Ukraine to Russia-related individuals and legal entities. Besides, it prohibits Russia-linked individuals from participating in the privatization and lease of Ukrainian state property and purchasing land plots in Ukraine. The bill also proposes to ban Russian and Russia-linked ships and planes from entering Ukraine, among other measures. Also on Monday, the administration of U.S. President Joe Biden announced that the United States will provide Ukraine with $1 billion worth of additional security assistance, the largest one-time weapons package since the beginning of the Ukraine crisis. According to the Pentagon, the just-announced aid brings total U.S. commitment of security assistance to Ukraine to approximately $9.8 billion since Biden took office.